Hello, everyone. Welcome back. It is really nice to have you here with us today. Take a slow breath and just enjoy this quiet moment together.
Oh, yes. We are very happy you are here. Hmm, maybe this is your calm time. Sitting comfortably, listening gently, and giving yourself space to relax.
Hmm. Learning feels better when we slow down. Right. There is no rush here. No pressure. Just friendly voices and simple English. Step by step.
Exactly. This is your safe space to listen, feel comfortable, and grow slowly. Even small moments like this can feel warm and encouraging.
So settle in, relax your shoulders, and let us spend this time together calmly, learning and enjoying English in a friendly and peaceful way. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are feeling relaxed today. Maybe sitting comfortably, breathing slowly, and enjoying a quiet moment with us right now.
Oh, yes, it feels like a calm morning. Hmm, maybe you have a warm cup of coffee or tea near you, and you are just listening peacefully without any stress.
Hmm. Mornings like this are nice, slow and gentle. And by the way, if you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to English Talk Studio.
Yes. And if this podcast feels helpful or friendly, please give it a like, a small thumbs up. It really supports English Talk Studio.
Hmm. And, oh, if you know someone who wants to learn English slowly, please share this episode with them. Maybe a friend, classmate, or family member.
Oh, yes. Thank you so much for your support. Hmm. Now relax your shoulders, smile a little, and enjoy this calm English time together with us.
Oh, hmm. Today we will talk about something very simple, but very important. Something you use many times when you meet new people in English.
Yes, today's topic is about introducing yourself, saying your name, greeting someone, and starting a small conversation in a calm and friendly way.
This is useful. When you meet someone for the first time, maybe at work, in class, or even when you travel and talk to new people.
Oh, yes. Many learners feel nervous at this moment. They know some words, but they are not sure how to start speaking.
That is very normal. And today we will help you feel more comfortable listening slowly and hearing simple English that you can use easily.
Yes, we will keep everything slow and clear. Hmm, No difficult words, no pressure.
After this episode, you will feel more confident saying hello, sharing your name, and answering simple questions about yourself.
Even if your English is very basic. Hmm, This lesson is for you because small steps are how real confidence begins.
Hmm. So listen carefully. Relax your mind. And remember, you do not need perfect English. You just need simple and clear English.
Oh, yes. Let us begin gently and practice together so you can use this English in real life, not only in lessons.
Oh, Imagine you meet someone new for the first time. Maybe at work or in class. And you want to start speaking slowly and politely.
Let us show a simple example. Just listen first. Relax. And hear how this conversation sounds in calm, everyday English.
Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Tom, and I am happy to talk with you today. How are you feeling right now?
Hello, Tom. Nice to meet you too. My name is Lucy. And I am feeling good today. Thank you for asking so kindly.
That is great to hear, Lucy. Oh, this is a very simple start. Saying hello, sharing your name, and asking a small question.
It feels friendly and easy. You do not need many words, just a calm voice and a small smile.
Oh, let us try again slowly. Hello, my name is Tom. Nice to meet you. What is your name?
Hello, Tom. My name is Lucy. Nice to meet you too. It is good to talk with you today.
Very nice. Oh, after names, you can say something simple, like how you feel or how your day is going.
For example, you can say, I am good today. Or, I am fine, thank you. Very simple and natural.
Oh, let us continue. Lucy, how is your day today? Is it going well so far?
Yes, Tom. My day is going well. It is calm, and I feel relaxed this morning. Thank you.
That sounds nice. See, this conversation is slow, friendly, and comfortable, just like real life.
And if you feel nervous, it is okay to speak slowly and pause. People understand.
Now let us change roles. Yeah, Lucy will start, and I will answer. Just listen again.
Oh, aha. Hello. My name is Lucy. Nice to meet you. What is your name?
Hello, Lucy. My name is Tom. Nice to meet you too. I am happy to talk with you.
Thank you, Tom. Oh, how are you today? Are you feeling okay?
Yes. I am feeling good today. Calm and relaxed. Thank you for asking.
Yes. Perfect. This is all you need at the beginning. Simple words, slow speaking, and a friendly feeling.
Remember. Oh, you can use this conversation anywhere. Work, class, travel, or meeting someone new.
Just listen, copy, and practice slowly. Confidence comes step by step, not fast.
Now let us slow down. And listen again to the key parts. Saying hello, sharing your name, and asking how someone feels very calmly.
Yes, we will repeat the same ideas. Not fast, not loud, just easy English, so your ears and mind feel comfortable.
Listen. Hello, my name is Tom. Nice to meet you. This is a simple and friendly way to begin.
And you can answer like this. Hello, Tom. My name is Lucy. Nice to meet you too. Very soft and polite.
After that, you can add one small question. Like, how are you today? It keeps the conversation going.
Yes. And you can answer simply. I am good today. Or, I am fine, thank you. That is enough.
Do not worry about speaking perfectly. Just speak slowly. Pause if needed. And smile a little.
Yes. Confidence grows when you repeat simple English again and again. You are doing very well already.
Now, let us imagine real life. You walk into a new place, maybe a class or office, and you see someone for the first time.
Oh, yes. Your heart feels a little fast, but that is okay. You can start slowly, just like we practiced together.
You can say, hello, my name is Tom. Nice to meet you. Very simple, very calm, and very friendly.
Oh, the other person may smile and say their name, and suddenly the fear feels smaller.
Then you can ask a small question. Like, how are you today? Or, how is your day going?
Oh, yes. And you can answer easily too. I am good today. Or, I am fine, thank you. That is enough.
Oh, you can use this English at work. When you meet a new coworker. Or on the first day of class.
You can also use it when you travel. Meeting a new person in a hotel, shop, or new city.
Remember. Oh, you do not need long sentences. Small and clear English works best in real life.
Oh, yes. Speak slowly. Pause if needed. And trust yourself. You already have the words.
Let us stop for a moment. And remember what you heard. Simple greetings, names, and small questions. You are doing really well so far.
If this feels easy, or even a little difficult, both feelings are okay. Learning English takes time, and you are on the right path.
You do not need to remember everything. Oh, just remember the feeling. Calm, friendly, and slow English is enough.
Take a small breath. Relax your mind and feel proud. Because listening and understanding even a little is real progress.
Great job. Now we can continue gently, one small step at a time. Together. Let us review together. You learned how to say hello, share your name, and ask a simple question, all in a calm and friendly way.
These small sentences are very powerful because you can use them almost everywhere in your daily life.
Remember, you do not need fast English. Just slow and clear words help people understand you.
Oh, even saying one sentence is enough. Confidence grows when you use simple English again and again.
Take this English with you today. Oh, and try it when you meet someone new, even for a short moment.
You are learning step by step. And every step matters. You are doing great.
Oh, Now it is your turn. We want you to practice a little, just one small step, by writing a simple comment below this episode.
You can write, hello, my name is, and then your name. Very simple. No need for long sentences.
You can also add one more line. Oh, like, I am learning English, or nice to meet you. Only if you want.
Do not worry about mistakes. This is a safe place to practice, and we are happy to read your comments.
Writing one small comment helps your confidence grow. Oh, so try it. And feel proud of yourself. That brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for spending this time with us and listening calmly till the end.
Yes, we are really happy you joined us today. Even a few minutes of listening is a great step in your English journey.
Remember, learning English does not need to be fast. Slow and steady practice helps you feel confident and comfortable.
Please be kind to yourself. You are learning something new, and every small effort you make truly matters.
We will meet again very soon. Oh, until then, take care. Keep practicing gently and have a calm and positive day ahead.